Well, here I am reporting on day 3 of the Great Arkansas Blizzard. It appears that the blizzard decided to take the day off. He left his friend the cold. Woke up this morning, it was 2 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about negative 16.6666 Celsius. But according to the winter advisory, our friend the Great Arkansas Blizzard will be back at 6 p.m. I'll have more on this tomorrow as the snow starts this evening at 6 o'clock. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, I live in Arkansas. It's not supposed to do this stuff, especially in February. Anyways, if you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share. And please, if you want the next report, subscribe. Hippie biker, the Sullivan, saying bye-bye.